In this video, I will show you how to add IDM extension in your Google Chrome browser. So the first step is to download and install the Internet Download Manager. I have already installed it. Moving over to the next step, you need to search for IDM integration in Google Chrome. You will get a first link of IDM integration module. You need to install this extension if you want the IDM to work on your Google Chrome. So add this to Chrome. Once this extension is installed, you will see the IDM integration icon over here in your toolbar. Now if I click any video within the Chrome browser, I will get this download this video link, which means that the Internet Download Manager has been integrated with the Google Chrome. So this is how to add the IDM extension in your Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit like button, share and subscribe.